consider this example. Construct the m-way search tree for the following elements where m is equal to 3. That means we have to construct the three-way search tree for the following elements. Okay, so m is equal to 3. That means three-way search tree. How many number of keys are there? M minus 1 number of keys are there. That is m value 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 keys. Next, how many number of pointers are there? So m number of pointers are there, that is equal to 3 pointers. Okay, so now I am simply construct this tree. Suppose we are taking a key element. Okay, so this line represents the left pointer, and this line represents the right pointer. Okay. So in this way I am not constructing, it is somewhat difficult. Simply we have to understand this. This is the key element in that node. This line represents the left pointer and this line represents the right pointer. Okay, first we are taking 15. So 15 is stored in one node. Okay, now for this node, this is the left pointer and this is the right pointer. Okay. Next element is 20. 20 is also stored in this node because each and every node in the three-way search tree contains two key elements. So 20 is compared with 15, it is greater. So now 20 is located in this node at this place because 20 is greater than 15. Now this line represents the left pointer for 15. This line represents the right pointer for 15. This line represents the left pointer for 20 and this line represents the right pointer for 20. Now, next element is 25. So, 25 is compared with the first key element, that is 15. It is greater. Next, 25 is compared with the next key element 20. It is greater. So, whenever 25 is greater than 20, so it is greater. So it points to the right subtree. Okay, so now we are considering the right pointer because 25 is greater than 20. So this is 25. Okay, so 25 is the right subtree for 20. Next one is 17. Okay, first 17 is compared with 15. It is greater. Next 17 is compared with 20. It is lesser. Okay. So 17 is greater than 15 and 17 is less than 20. So we are considering the middle pointer. Okay. So this is 17. Next one. Next element is 18. So first every element is compared with the root node. So 18 is compared with 15, it is greater. Next 18 is compared with 20, it is lesser. So 18 is there in between 15 and 20. Now go to this pointer. In this pointer already 17 is there. Now 18 is compared with 17, so it is greater, so that 18 is placed in that place. Okay, so now it has 3 pointers because two key elements are there. This is the left pointer and this is the middle pointer and this is the right pointer. Next one is 9. So 9 is compared with 15. So 9 is less than 15. So go to the left pointer. Here we have to place 9. Okay, because 9 is less than 15. Next one is 37. So 37 is compared with 15, it is greater. Next 37 is compared with 20, it is also greater. Then go to the right pointer. Here 25 is there. Now 37 is compared with 25, so it is greater. So now 37 is here stored. Okay. Next I want to insert some 45. Okay, first 45 is compared with 15, it is greater. Next 45 is compared with 20, it is greater. Go to the right pointer of 20. Here 45 is compared with the 25, it is greater. Next 45 is compared with the 37, it is also greater. Go to the right pointer. So here 45 is stored. Okay, so for 45 this is the left pointer, and for the 45 this is the right pointer. Next I have to insert some 16. Okay, so now where we have to insert 16? 16 is compared with the 15, so it is greater. Next 16 is compared with the 20, it is lesser. So 16 is there in between 15 and 20. Okay, it is not possible to insert at this place because every node in the three-way search tree contains two key elements. Already two key elements are completed. For this node already two key elements are completed. Then go to the right subtree, 45 is inserted. Okay, now 16. Okay, so 16 is there in between 15 and 20 because 16 is greater than 15 and 16 is less than 20. Go to the middle pointer. Here 17 is there and 18 is there. 16 is compared with the 17, so it is lesser. Then go to the left pointer. Go to the left pointer. So here we have to insert 16. Okay, next we have to insert element 3. Okay, first 15 is 3 is compared with the first key element in the root node, it is lesser. Go to the left pointer of 15. Here 9 is there. 3 is compared with 9, so it is lesser. So this node contains only one key element, so that second key element is also stored at this place because 3 is compared with 9, 3 is less than 9. Okay, next we have to insert next key element, that is 23. Okay, 23. First 23 is compared with 15, so it is greater. Next 23 is compared with 20, it is also greater. Next go to the right pointer. So here 23 is compared with 25, so 23 is less than 25. So go to the left pointer of 23. Here 23 is stored in this place. Okay, so in this way we have to construct the M-way search tree. So for now observe the properties of M-way search tree. The key elements in the M-way search tree is always in increasing order. 15 and 20 always there in increasing order. 3 and 9 always there in increasing order. 17 and 18 increasing order. 25 and 37 increasing order. So 16, 23, 45 is there increasing order. In each and every node, whatever the key elements are there, that key elements are arranged in increasing order. Okay, so this is a three-way search tree. It contains two key elements in each and every node. This node contains two key elements. This node contains two key elements. This node contains two key elements. Okay, but this node contains one key element. If it is possible, we have to add another key element. Okay, each and every node have 3 pointers. So this line represents the left pointer, this line represents the middle pointer, this line represents the right pointer. Okay, so this is the three-way search tree. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So DIVVELA SRINIVASA. Thank you.